Kia ora whānau. In today's video we're out exploring Skyline Drive, starting out from Manti Canyon. As soon as you enter the canyon, the views are primo with massive cliffs to one side, winding your way up the road into the pine forest. Not too far into the canyon, we saw a waterfall icon on the map. We decided to stop and check it out. And boy are we glad we stopped. It's only a 2-minute walk from the car park and it's awesome. Definitely recommend this if you're in the area. The trek down to the car park is pretty easy, just a couple of rocks to watch out for, but if you want a bit more of a challenge, there's a track on the left hand side that's a bit more fun when you're heading back out. We continued on along the main canyon road until we got to an intersection where we hooked a left and went up one of the side tracks. Once you get onto the side track, things get a lot more fun. Nothing too crazy, just a couple steepish rocky climbs, and there are some decent sized holes along the way. In the dry it was fine, but I can see this being pretty muddy and boggy in the wet. There are a lot of trees to winch off though, so nothing to worry about. We carried on with Cove Lake as our destination we were aiming for. However, we got slightly geographically embarrassed and may have made a wrong turn. As far as wrong turns go, it wasn't half bad. It put us up on top of this really cool overlook, and we stumbled across old mate here with a flat tire on the side of the track. As it turns out, old mate had only just bought the truck and was out on his maiden voyage. It seems like a workshop had jacked up the wheel nuts, so when we tried to get the wheel off, it just wasn't happening. Thankfully, I had a tire repair kit in the back of the Jeep, so we plugged it, filled it up with air, tested it with soapy water, and it was good as gold. We spent a fair amount of time helping him out, and by the time we got him back together, we decided it was time to just cruise back down towards the main road. It's a good reminder to know your truck and go prepared, especially somewhere if it's in the middle of nowhere. We took the same track that we came up on back down. Nothing crazy, same track in reverse, but we did get down a little bit quicker as we knew where we were going. Overall, it was an awesome day out. We barely made it halfway along the route that we had planned, but it was all good. It was fun. It just means we have to come back and explore more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch us on the next adventure.